Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite. Firstly, I will show you how to change it by default, and then I will show you how to customize it, so we can add this feature to another gesture. Okay, let me play some song. To increase the volume, you need to use your right earbud. By the way, at the back side, right here at the top, we have touch areas. So, press and hold at the touch areas at your right earbud to increase the volume. Look at this widget. I just increase it with press and hold. Now let's lower it, and to lower it you need to press and hold at your left earbud. So let's check it. Press and hold. And as you can see at this widget, I just lower the volume. Okay, next, how to customize it. And to customize it, we need to use REALME Link application. Open it. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and go to button settings. So click at this line. And right here, as you can see, it's set to press and hold, but we can add it for the double press and triple press. Let's say for the double press, for the left earbud, I wanna volume down my music, so I select it. And with the right one, I wanna volume up. Now let's check it. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It worked. Now what about the left one? 1, 2. 1, 2. And as you can see, it also works. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.